goes aside from my soul. There goes aside, there goes aside. Now there goes aside from my soul. There goes aside from my soul. There goes aside, there goes aside. There goes aside from my
Hello everybody, and good morning from Chaing Mai, Thailand. I got here this morning. I ended up taking the night train from Bangkok, which was about 14 hours, and it cost me 770 Thai Baht, which the current exchange rate right now is about 31 Baht per US dollar. So that was approximately 24 US dollars for the trip, which is relatively cheap. But I just got into town. I haven't checked it out at all. I can't check into my hostel for another hour. I just ended up dropping my bags off there, and then I went and got some really good lunch, some pad thai at a vegan restaurant, which was pretty good. I had a vegan pad thai and a iced coffee for 140 baht, which is about 4 US dollars. A little expensive, but I'm kind of staying in a touristy area with a lot of Western restaurants, so it's a little more expensive. I'm sure there's cheaper places around here. But so far from what I can tell, I really like Chiang Mai a lot better than Bangkok for sure. Bangkok's pretty busy, pretty dirty. It's not really my scene. But Chiang Mai seems a bit more relaxed, and it's up in the mountains in Northern Thailand, so it's a bit cooler, which is nice because it was hot as hell in Bangkok. But at the moment I'm just walking around this moat that goes around the old city, and don't know where I'm going. I'll just walk around, so I hope you guys enjoy. I had a little issue this morning. I'm here in Thailand for a month, and after that I'm heading back to China. But I brought along a bunch of supplies, food and things that you can't buy in China, and I brought a full suitcase full of food pretty much. And I'm normally a pretty light traveler with just a backpack on my back, but I've been lugging around this suitcase. One of my mom's old suitcases. It's probably 25 years old, and wheeling it around in Bangkok yesterday, I ended up actually burning the rubber off of one of the wheels. So I've been dragging that around and ended up grinding off the rest of the wheel, and I had to actually carry it, which is about 60 US pounds, which was a chore, especially in the heat. So I'm gonna have to do something about that later on. One cool thing about Thailand is there's 7-Elevens everywhere. Which have a lot of good Thai products as well as Western products that you're used to back home. Ика раньше ваша цена? 40 块
40 for one.
Oh. I don't speak a lick of Thai besides hello, but I noticed that the lady at the ticket office spoke Chinese, spoke Mandarin, so that was easy.
Nghiêng của vào đầu mà chốc.
Make sure and remove your shoes when you go into the shrines and Buddhist temples, not just in Thailand, but other places like China. Also, you need to dress appropriately. Cover your knees, your shoulders. Wow.
Mình làm vào đấy này. Em một cái giấy và vốn.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.